Hola, BZBGEAR fans. Joel Cruz here at ISE 2024 in beautiful Barcelona. I'd like to introduce our line of joystick controllers for serial and IP devices. It is the BG Commander series. Now, we first started off with the BG Commander. Then next up, we got the BG Commander. We got the BG Commander Junior. And our latest and greatest is the BG Commander Pro. It has an integrated 7-inch touchscreen, can handle up to 2,000 devices. So if you have like 2,000 BZBGEAR cameras, that'd be the perfect setup for anybody's setup. Supports RS control, OnVIF, Pelco, and you can get the audio and video from that and extend it to a larger monitor, like say a projector or TV. So all of these devices are very versatile. They're compatible with not just BZBGEAR cameras, but any type of IP or serial camera. If you'd like to learn more about these PoE-enabled controllers, go to bzbgear.com or stay tuned to BZB TV, our YouTube tech channel, to learn more. We'll have more great content on this after the show. If you're in town, 5H200, come visit us and the team. If not, tune in to the station or our website. So until then, everyone, adios.